viewers, again I'm back with my new recipe, and today's recipe is soya kebab, in which we are going to use Nutrinuggets. As soya, you know, it's a good source of protein, and protein is very necessary in your diet as it is a bodybuilding food and it helps to build up your cells. So it's good, and it is more good for your kids as they are in their grown up age, and protein is required for them. With protein, it also has certain vitamins and minerals. It has calcium, it has magnesium, phosphorus, and much more. So it's a protein rich diet, it's a healthy diet. Let's start our dish, viewers. For soya kebabs we need Nutrinuggets, और इन न्यूट्रीनगेट्स को मैंने हाफ एन आवर के लिए सोकअप करके रखा है, हॉट वाटर में सोकअप किया है। सोकअप करने के बाद ये साइज़ में बड़ी हो जाएंगी क्योंकि इन्हें वाटर सोकअप कर लिया है। अब इनको ये वाटर हम ड्रेन कर देंगे। ये सारा वाटर हमने ड्रेन कर लिया है, लेकिन इसके बाद भी इसमें एक्सेस ऑफ वाटर होगा जिसे आपको हाथ से ही स्क्वीज करके निकालना होगा। ये ऐसे स्पून से रिमूव होने वाला नहीं है। तो now you have to use your hands for this dish. Again, I'm putting back these Nutrinuggets in this container. Take these Nutrinuggets and squeeze the extra water. Now extra water is removed. Keep them aside, and you have to squeeze all water from this soya. Now we have to grind them. So let's take our mixie. So our batter, our soya are ready now. Now we will add spices in it. First I am adding this ginger, garlic and green chili paste in it. Ginger, garlic and green chili. 3 materials are there. Now I am going to add 1 grated onion, and from onion you have to squeeze its water. Otherwise this material becomes watery and you can't make the kebab from it. Now the next one is, this is a sabji masala. It's optional. If you want you can add it. I am adding half teaspoon of sabji masala in it. Then red chili powder according to taste, because we have already added green chili. Then salt according to taste. And dhania powder, half teaspoon. Now you have to mix all these ingredients. Now we have to add certain binding agent in it. I am adding cornstarch, 1, and this is 2. That means 2 teaspoon of cornstarch I am adding it. Now mix it well. Now the mixture is ready. We have to prepare kebabs out of it. You can give them the shape of your own choice. You can make it round. These kebabs I am making round like that. Or you can use this stick for making kebab. Take a mixture and hold it like that around the stick. Now remove the stick. Your kebab is ready in this shape. round, oval, whatever shape you like, you can make. So prepare all the kebabs. So our kebabs are ready now. Here are two options to make them. One, we can deep fry them, or second option is I have this grilled sandwich maker. So I am going to grill it in this option, and the second option I am also going to show you where I am deep frying them. So first I am deep frying them. Add it to the hot oil and then low the flame. And the second option, add little bit of oil to your grilled sandwich maker. Here I am adding oil. Now place these kebabs over it. Add more oil over these kebabs, and now let them bake. So here are our kebabs. Now we will plate them. You can cut it into two pieces like that. Both of these kebabs. देखिए कितने crispy सीखे हैं. Like that you can cut it and then serve them. Now plating. So here is our dish. Kebabs with green chutney. Enjoy the recipe, viewers. Bye, viewers.